Let me show you how the Valgro Edge Deburring machine will work. Here, you can operate the machine from the control panel, and it's also a fully automatic machine. This system is for holding the components and working with air pressure. It moves all over from right to left to deburr the multiple components at the same time. No physical strain of worker by vibrations and flying spark. Also, the abrasive wheel will rotate and move from top to bottom for the deburr inner and outer parts of the components.